With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, question given. Which molecule represent by the bold atoms are in their lowest oxidation state? So here we are getting some of the molecules like F2O, H2S, PH3 and N2H4. In which molecule the bold atom is in its lowest oxidation state, that we need to consider. So here in F2O we have oxygen, that is the bolded atom. Now oxygen atom, basically fluorine has oxidation state. We know that in general fluorine has oxidation state -1. So here we have 2 fluorine. So oxygen, if oxidation state is X, we can say X minus 2 equals to 0, right? -1 into 2 fluorine we have, that's why -2. So X is equals to +2. So here oxygen is in oxidation state +2. Oxygen that is having oxidation state +2 is not at all the lowest oxidation state. This is the highest oxidation state, exceptional case. Oxygen lowest oxidation state we know that is -2, because we know according to the definition of the oxidation state means number of electrons that is gained, lost or shared by any of the element that represents its state of oxidation. So here oxygen can gain, in general oxygen has 6 electrons in its outermost shell. So oxygen can gain 2 electrons, and as it gains 2 electron, its oxidation state become -2, because electron has charge -1. So if 2 electron gains, 2 excessive -1 into 2, -2 charge comes. So that is why the oxidation state will become -2. That is the lowest oxidation state considered. +2 is an exceptional oxidation state. So as +2 become exceptional oxidation state, in A we are having fluorine always gaining electron from oxygen, because fluorine has the highest electronegativity than oxygen. So it will gain 2 electrons from oxygen, and oxygen will get the +2 oxidation state. That is not the lowest oxidation state, right? So A will not be our correct answer. Now I will move to option B. B is given here, H2S. What is the oxidation state of sulfur here? Sulfur is the bold atom. So here we can see hydrogen is always oxidation state +1. Hydrogen will always exist in a compound. Hydrogen will always exist in +1. So 2 hydrogen +1 into 2 +2 plus sulfur, if you consider Y. So +2 plus Y equals to 0. 0 why? Because as a whole a molecule, that is a compound, will always have oxidation state 0. So that's why Y is equals to -2. Now the question comes that oxygen and sulfur both belongs to group 16. So group 16 elements, generally lowest oxidation state it will have -2. So that is, if it gain 2 electron, its octet will be filled up. That's why the lowest oxidation state become -2. So option B will be our correct answer, because sulfur may have lowest oxidation state -2, that represent its state of oxidation. Now C, if you consider, P is the bold atom in PH3, phosphine gas. So phosphorus, what is the oxidation state here? If you consider Z, I have already said that hydrogen has oxidation state +1. So Z +3 why? Because +1 into 3 +3 equals to 0. Z equals to -3. So here -3 is the oxidation state, that is the lowest oxidation state of phosphorus. Why? Because if phosphorus gain 3 electrons, its octet will be filled up, because phosphorus has 5 electrons in its outermost shell. If it gains 3 electrons, then 5 plus 3, 8 electrons will be filled up, and its oxidation state become -3. So that too, B and C, we have the lowest oxidation state of sulfur, that is a bold atom. Here phosphorus is the bold atom, its oxidation state, lowest oxidation state is -3 we have. Now the next one is that D, N2H4, that is hydrogen we have. Hydrogen, what is the structure? NH2 single bond NH2, that is hydrogen. Nitrogen is the bold atom here. So we have to see what is the oxidation state of nitrogen here in this compound. Nitrogen, if you consider A, here also A, if you consider, see hydrogen has +1. So +1 into 2, here we can say +1 into 2. 4 hydrogens are there. So 2 nitrogen, 2A plus 2 hydrogen plus 2 into plus 2. So plus 1 into 4 I will simply write, because 4 hydrogen, 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogen. So plus 1 into 4 equals to 0. So 2a equals to minus 4, a equals to minus 2. So nitrogen, we have seen a equals to minus 2, that is minus 2 oxidation state it belongs to. But minus 2 was not at all the lowest oxidation state of nitrogen, because nitrogen has lowest oxidation state minus 3. We have seen just earlier, we have seen nitrogen has lowest oxidation state, minus oxidation state equals to minus 3. Why? Because nitrogen equals to group 15. In group 15 we have 3 electrons short of octet. So if group 15 elements N, P, S, S, B, Bi gain 3 electron, its oxidation state become minus 3 and octet will be filled up. So nitrogen, phosphorus belongs to same group, which will have lowest oxidation state minus 3. Here not minus 2 is the lowest oxidation state, so it will not be our correct answer. So we have got our correct answer B, where sulfur has the lowest oxidation state minus 2, and C, that will also be our correct answer, where we have seen phosphorus that has oxidation state equals to minus 3. Both are correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.